So you wanna push something gradually, like wind or gravity, that's add force. Force applies continuous motion over time, respecting mass. It's not instant, but it's like a pressure. That's what makes physics believable. And to get this note, just right click and type in add force, and then you will find few options like cube 1 or cube in my example, and for you it can be very different because it only shows those options that you can actually apply force to, something like a mesh. And now as you can see on the screen, we have an execution pin from event tick, then we have our node add force, and for target we have connected the cube into it. Now one thing to consider and note here, that both of these cube and cube 1 have their simulate physics on, which you can easily do by clicking on it and in details panel type simulate physics, and you can turn on and off the physics of both of these things, or in your case it can be anything that you want to add force to. Now for the force I have set x to 2000, but for your experiment purpose you can definitely change the values of y and z as well to see what kind of result you get, but for now we have just settled for x as 2000. Now you can see on the screen we have also checked the box of excel change. What it will do is it will accelerate the change as fast as it can, because 2000 is a very small value when it comes to force. You will know what I'm talking about in just in a bit. So let's just compile the code and see it in action so we can better understand what it actually means.